Hi guys, it's Miss King. We're going to do some story problems again today. Last week we did addition story problems. Today we're going to look at takeaway or subtraction. So same 4 steps that we did before when we look at a story problem. We're still going to use those same steps to help solve it. So we're going to read and understand the story. Then number 2, we're going to draw a picture that matches the story. Number 3, we're going to write an equation to match the story. And then 4, we're going to write our answer. So let's get started today. Our story today says, the baker made 9 cupcakes. Then he ate 3 cupcakes. He must have been hungry. How many cupcakes are there now? So remember, the first thing I want to do is make sure I understand the story. So I'm going to read it one more time and then try to tell it in my own words. If I can tell it in my own words, it means I understand the story. It says, the baker made 9 cupcakes. Then he ate 3 cupcakes. How many cupcakes are there now? So I want to think about the story and what it's telling me. So when I picture this story, I see a baker, a chef, kind of baker in the kitchen, and he's making cupcakes, and he makes 9 of them. Well, then he looks at them and thinks he's hungry, so he eats 3 cupcakes, and they want us to find out how many cupcakes are left. So, thumbs up if you agree with me telling the story in my own words. Good. Now, the number 2 thing I need to do is draw a picture to match the story. So, first thing I need to do is draw what happens in the story. So, the baker, the first thing he did was he made 9 cupcakes. So, I'm going to draw my 9 cupcakes. Remember when we're drawing our pictures, kind of do it like we're doing a 10 frame. So, we're going to do it in groups of 5, just like we were filling in a 10 frame. So, I'm going to draw my 9 cupcakes. So, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, remember we always talked about math that we want to go back and count just to make sure we didn't make any mistakes. So I should have 9 cupcakes. So count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Perfect. So now in the story, after he made those 9 cupcakes, he ate 3 of them. So I need to think, how can I show that 3 of them went away or that he ate 3 of them? What could I do to make sure that I show 3 went away? Yeah, remember in class we would draw an X on them to get rid of them. So I'm going to take 3 cupcakes away. I'm just going to start at the bottom and get rid of 3. 1, 2, 3. So now I drew my picture that matches the story. There were 9 cupcakes, 3 went away. He ate them. So how can I figure out how many cupcakes are left? Yeah, we need to go back and count. So we say, let's count with me. Ready? We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 cupcakes left. So the next thing I need to do for number 3 is write an equation to match the story. So remember, this one is subtraction, it's takeaway. So we're going to use that minus sign now on this one. So if I want to write an equation to match the story, I think of how many cupcakes did we start with? There were 9. So I'm going to say 9. And then we took 3 of them away. So remember, we use that minus sign. That means take away. So minus, and it's just a straight line like that. 9 minus 3, because we took 3 away, equals 6. We counted 6 cupcakes were left. So let's read our number sentence together. Ready? It says 9 minus 3 equals 6. So that matches the picture and it matches the story. The last thing we have to do is write the answer. Now I know on our stories last time it had a place for us to write the answer, and these do not. So what I want you to do is just draw a box somewhere, anywhere on your page. And that's going to be your answer box. You're going to write the answer in that box. So our answer is 6. There are 6 cupcakes left. So I'm going to write the words, or the number 6. And then I want to write cupcakes. And if I don't know how to spell cupcakes, it's in the story. So I'm going to go right here to cupcakes and just copy it. It's right here in the story. So 6 cupcakes. That's how many were left. So when I look, I read and made sure I understood the story. I drew a picture to match the story. I wrote an equation to match the story, and then I did my answer. So if you do all 4 things like that, when you go to do yours back on Seesaw, you will have completed your story problem for the day. So good luck. Can't wait to see it. Bye, guys. Miss you.